Today we're at the Lincoln History Trail. I'm here with my friends Tim and Rudy. This is what happened here. This is that trail, right? Yeah. Alright. This is the trail that they rode their horses down. Some deep woods. We're in Illinois, by the way. You look up in there, you see nothing but woods for like ever. It's crazy looking. Nothing but wood still that way.
How many people more? It said 2,000 mounted. It means on horses. Yeah. They could have had probably maybe a wagon too, or maybe they just rode horses. Yeah, look at that.
I imagine they had like.
They rode all the way.
I imagine they had like wagons.
Yeah, they probably might have had wagons and stuff.
They'd have to have something to carry like their supplies with and shit. So it's a down tree. Oh.
No, I was just doing that third path.
Damn, this shit goes deep into the woods.
I bet you that would have been a sight to see.
Well, all them infantry soldiers like on horseback. That would be fucking crazy, dude. You mean?
Oh, how it's low.
Yeah, that's all river bottom over there. You can tell.
I bet it was from that creek, dude, and they dried it up.
Could be.
Hey, it took us a little bit to find this place, didn't it?
Oh yeah, we drove around for like a
knew it was
long
around
ass
here.
We
time.
tried finding research on it and everything, and it was like,
There was nothing.
yeah.
I told you where it was over by Kensington. I told you.
That's crazy that
But
you
I
know,
was
not
having a
even
hard time thinking
Google.
that it was that far down the road. You know what I mean?
I just
That
think
it was
it's,
on the right side anyway, not the left.
I just think it's crazy that Google, you know, didn't even have nothing on this. What the hell is that up there?
Got a big hill.
Is that a cemetery up there?
What's on the other side?
We'll see. We're walking up right here. Let's do it.
Oh, Rudy's out hiking on a trail in shorts.
I know, right?
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, that ain't a good idea.
I don't either.
Hot dog.
Hey, the day I do though,
Right.
it's this day.
I don't know.
They actually cut this trail fairly recently.
They actually,
Yeah, you can tell.
Wait.
This damn trail goes forever. This trail goes for like ever, dude. Hear the whistling?
Can't do it right now.
Yeah, we're in the bottom of like some gully or something.
Should have just brought the car. They probably wouldn't have noticed.
Right? No shit.
Would this be a nice place?
I bet you that's a hunter that's whistling for a dog.
Out of season.
It's coming from that way.
I think we're off the trail here. We're back on the road.
I think we're at the end of the trail, dude.
No. No, I'm telling you, there was another turn we could have took that it didn't take us to.
Huh.
We passed it there.
Let's walk back this way. Then.
We're going back the way we come? You want to go around?
No.
You don't think we can go around that way?
I mean, it'll just take, yeah, I mean, if you want.
Well, I mean, what do you want to do, though?
I said probably head through back.
You don't think we can go that way?
I mean, we could.
You want to or not? Or do you think we'll get lost? I needed
There is the Lincoln Nature Trail. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Thank you.